Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's talk about trick question number 6. Hobbies, then and now. So it looks like you used to go play bingo. So it looks like you used to play soccer. So it looks like you used to ride horses. So it looks like you used to go ahead and do stuff. That would mean that you are no longer disabled if you can do them nowadays. Do not fall prey to this question because they'll use it as a bridging agent to get you to smile, open up, and talk about the beauty of your childhood and now how you still do some of those functions today. Let's have fun. So it appears to me from the record that you have degenerative joint disease, specifically ranging in multiple areas, causing arthropathy, blah, 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 whatever. Did you do horseback riding back in the day? Oh, yes, Your Honor. Do you own a horse now? Oh, no, Your Honor. Where do you live? Oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, farm area. Oh, yeah. Your neighbors have horses, right? Oh, yeah. Sometimes I go over and visit them. That's wonderful. Do you ever go riding again? Oh, sometimes. Boom. Claim's dead. Done. Done. You're riding horses? Done. Let's do another one. See from the record here that you used to be somebody who could play baseball. Is that correct? Oh, yeah. That was a long time ago. Long time ago. Okay. I noticed in the medical record that one of the doctors stated that you had difficulty with your back, because you were having a little fun and doing some baseball activities. Oh yeah, that was about a year ago. Says that you were, correct me if I'm wrong, a coach for a little league group. Correct? And they gotcha. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. Okay. I'm assuming you're still, coaching these kids? Well, yeah. Instant denial. That's faster than you make coffee. It's quick. So, and I know you guys are sitting there and you're thinking, I would never be this stupid. Oh, but you are. You are this stupid. You will do it. You just won't do it for that particular phrasing of the question. And then you'll walk out of the hearing and think, God, I'm so smart. I didn't do anything stupid. And then you'll read the brief that ultimately is rendered, and the judge will find something related to this, and then you'll literally sit there and go, no, what you'll do is you'll blame me. That I didn't actually tell you the perfect question and answer combo that would make it so that you understood where the speeding silver bullet was coming from. That's how you guys tend to operate. I know you're special, and you would never do that to such a wonderful person such as myself. But let's be realistic here. Let's have a real VH1 moment. I don't even know if VH1 ever did that. But the bottom line is, you guys blame people that had nothing to do with how you screwed up. And to some degree, you live life that way, which was why you made it harder. If you just live life by making your boss's job easier and working a little bit more, you would have ultimately done very well, but you blamed other people and yada, yada, yada. I know how you guys work. I love you dearly. All right. I can't drink that on camera because then you'll see the logo. And they don't sponsor me, even though they make an amazing combination of peach juice and tea, and it's from a company that has a state-based name. Arnold Palmer was a fan of this company because they paid him a lot of money. Peach, sweet tea combination. It is literally so good. I don't know what to do about it. I don't cry sometimes at night. Let's go back to the question, hobbies, then and now, trick question. Let me just do a couple more so that you can see how easy you can be an idiot in front of a judge that is literally looking for reasons to deny you. So it says that you used to work out and would give you energy, and it was like a therapy for you to handle issues related to your back and or, you know, lumbar area, or to your hips, blah, 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 you know, whatever. Okay, cool. Yada, yada. So, I noticed on your Facebook account that there's a recent photo of you at a gym. It appears that you were working out at that gym. Is that correct? Well, yes, Your Honor. Is it correct that you stated to me that you could no longer do working out at the beginning of the hearing? Well, yes, Your Honor. Is it correct to assume that you are still working out? Well, no, Your Honor. I only did it once, and then I couldn't do it, and I wasn't good at doing it, and blah, 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 blah. Interesting. It appears that you were showing off multiple selfie photos over an extended period of time within the past 6 months involving biceps. Trust me, you aren't that sexy. You're just not. I don't know why you guys put all these photos up. You're just not that good looking. Go on Pinterest. Those people are good looking. Alright, back to the question. Hobbies. Let me give you one more. I'm not spoiling you guys with these. I'm just opening the book to it. A lot of you guys have already been spoiled by me because I've done thousands, well, 1,000 plus videos of how this stuff works. So I'm going to give you one more example. Let me think of a good one. Oh, God, this one popped up one time. This one got me good because I didn't think of it. Should have given it to the claimant ahead of time. Ma'am, it appears that you've stated multiple times that you have difficulty buying organic food. But then in the record it also shows from the medical examiner that you spoke about eating organic food. Do you grow your own food? Oh, yes, I love organic food. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So you're able to take care of it, water it, get down on your knees and dig things, work on things, so on and so forth. Well, yes. Now, see, you're sitting there thinking, oh, that one's kind of, hey, you know, that could go either way. No, it's not going to go either way. You just prove that you can stoop, kneel, crawl, do jazzercising. You've just proved that you're not disabled if you have a claim for knee, hip, back, whatever related impairments that limit your ability to work. Okay. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot, Disability Resolution PA. You want the most up-to-date information, a custom video made, or just a question about a topic? That's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, or shoot me a text. All right? Have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.